Joshua Tebow the Plotagonist presents Caillou causes an oil explosion / arrested / sent to 1274 in Japan. Requested by San Jose, Korea. Shout out to Lorraine Elor for subbing to the channel. I have an idea. I'm going to use Plotagon logic to teleport the Plotagon Factory Organization to cause an oil explosion there and destroy the factory. Factory. Let's do it. Okay, now I'm in the factory. Let's now create a big oil explosion. Oh shoot. Gotta run. When Caillou's outside of the factory. Yeah! I destroyed the factory.
Freeze your butt cheeks. You are under arrest for destruction of property. Come with me now.
When Caillou's at prison.
Now, I'm going to send you to 1274 in Japan with my magical finger. Here it goes, sucka.
Japan. Oil.